Today we're going to be looking at the Cyrusher Sonder. This is a 20-inch frame folding e-bike. So taking this for a ride, pretty good. I've got it on pedal assist 1 and I don't need to pedal at the moment, it's whizzing along. You also get quite a comprehensive toolkit with the Cyrusher, which includes a pump, which they don't often include, and all the tools you'll need for tightening up and maintaining your bike. This can get me up quite a steep hill, I can really feel it now, so let's knock it up to 2, 3, there we go. That gave me the pull I need to get up this hill lovely and easily. The Cyrusher Sonder comes in 4 different colours. White is the one we've got, there's also grey, black and blue. It gives you a range, depending on circumstances, of up to 53 miles. Now the thing about this bike is, it's not actually got a throttle, it is a pedal assist bike, although it does have something called walk assist, which I will show you a little bit later what the benefit of walk assist is for me. It's a bit steeper this one, get it on 4, there we go, whizzing up there. Oh, honestly, it makes light work of these hills. It has a 250 watt brushless motor and it only weighs 19 kilos, which is ideal for me. It has 20-inch wheels, which I find to be the absolute perfect size. The bike Red has got is just far too big for me with the big chunky wheels. We've also had the little ones with the tiny wheels. These are absolutely perfect. It's a folding bike, which means you can fold it up and carry it easily in the back of your car or on the back of your motorhome or van. And it is classed by Cyrusher as a city commuter bike, which is absolutely perfect when you are a van lifer and you're traveling and you need to get out and about without your van and perhaps taking a trip on the cycle paths or a trip into the local town. It is the perfect bike. So I've really enjoyed testing this one, mainly because it is a pedal assist model. It has 9 Shimano gears, which are very easy to use, and the pedal assist has 5 levels as well. You've got a very nice colour screen, which is very simple to use, and you can actually raise your pedal assist all the way up to level 5, and that can get you up some pretty steep hills. It's certainly got a lot of oomph. We've had bikes that are just pure pedal assist before and they've not quite had the oomph of this one. I've really enjoyed it. So it has a torque sensor, which is basically a sensor that detects how hard you're pushing on the pedals so it can actually kick in the pedal assist. And it has a payload capacity of 120 kilos, which is about 19 stone. So it's got a very good payload. Now, an interesting thing is the battery is kept in a different place on this bike, which did confuse me a little bit at first, but it is actually in the saddle, in the pole of the saddle, and to turn the bike on and off, it's underneath the saddle and you just press the button. The saddle itself is not the best we've had, but it's certainly not the worst we've had. I'm not going to change it. I think it's comfortable enough, but I haven't done a really extended trip on the bike yet to tell you how I fare afterwards. It has rear suspension, so it really does give you quite a comfortable ride as well. So up and down curbs and on bumpy surfaces, very comfortable. The battery charging time is between 5 to 7 hours, depending on where your battery is. And it has fully hydraulic disc brakes, which is also a big plus with these bikes.
One last feature that I love about this bike, which is especially useful with our house and the steps, is walk assist. So all I need to do is turn walk assist on, the back wheel turns, and I can get up the steps far easier than trying to lift the bike up there. So all I do, long hold, walk assist mode. So I've given you all the technical information, specifications on it, but now I'm going to tell you why this is the bike that I've kept for myself. As you can see, I've already started accessorising it with the bag here. This does not come with the bike, but it comes with, obviously, a very nice place to seat the bag. Anyway, why has this become my bike? Well, everything we've had up to now has been good, but something's just been missing. But this one, I'm going to go out on a limb here, it's absolutely perfect. The saddle is comfortable, 9-speed gears, and it's also got the pedal assist. It's a folder and it has the good sized tyres, so it also doubles. It can do a city bike where it can do commutes, but it can also work quite well off-road and in a field or on rough ground. Battery lasts really well. I've just been extremely impressed with this bike, and like I said, I use it every single day, back and forth to the shops or if I'm going out, so it's also something that is just helping me get fit and save money. And the pedal assist on this also has a torque sensor, so depending on how hard I'm pedaling depends on how much it's going to go. So up a very steep hill, I can put it on level 5 and I can get up there so easily with just little to no effort if I need to, or if my legs are getting tired. In conclusion, personally, this is the Goldilocks of all bikes for me. This is the one out of all of them that I've decided to keep for myself because it absolutely ticks all of the boxes.